Alright, here's kitchen destruction day, so sit back for the next 4-ish minutes and enjoy the 8 times speed high octane kitchen demo. So I'm sure real-time speed wouldn't have been all that fun to watch. So really satisfying when you get a big chunk like that, and then it gets a little tedious when you're taking out the anchor points. You can really see the high quality engineering in the builds of these old single wides, not to mention the classy interior decorating with that wallpaper. Luckily avoided shock getting that old vent fan off there. Had to break out the big guns, took out the chopping maul to get some of these cabinets out of there. And the rats were coming up through a hole in the wall here and on the other side of the wall underneath the bathtub, and so there were a lot of rat droppings and mess tucked away back there. Just went to getting wall boards off in this section. It's really nice when you grab the drywall and you get a big chunk, but then a lot of this section here is just handfuls. Just breaking off really way too easy, so it got a little tedious, but still satisfying nonetheless. Excuse the lighting on this one, a little dark, but new to this YouTube game. Yeah, I decided to just kind of sweep up that rat mess just to get it out of the way. Here's a cool little vent fan that goes to the outside there, but it was pretty rusted out on the outside, so we won't be reusing that. The new one will probably be, the vent fan will probably go up a little higher out on the wall there, probably out through a cabinet that I put above the stove if I end up putting it in that same section anyway. And this interior wall, pulling the drywall off was nice and satisfying because the pieces came off in huge chunks. And moving this fridge, I think I opened the door a little bit and the food was still in there, so oh, that was so rancid. Don't miss that. So that's about it for that. And we're just doing a pan around the room here to show you where I was at this point. Just got most of the paneling off, and our farmhouse chic stick is still doing its job, holding the threshold up there. Got our little broom swept around the stove. And this window here, they didn't finish the header, but they didn't care. And I forgot to show the final destruction of the kitchen sink and whatnot, but hope you enjoyed it.